Plymouth to take a look at, just in it unique, especially in classics. 1974 Plymouth Fury 3, two-door hardtop, original mile car, a little over 30,000 on this one. It's a two-owner car. There is a copy of the original title that will go with this, as long as a showroom brochure, the window sticker, and some receipts on it, some miscellaneous receipts. Now, underneath the hood, 360 cubic inch V8 engine that is paired up with a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. As far as the AC, it seems all the components are there. We have not had it blow cold. Compressor does kick on and off, but may need to be recharged. And there's also receipts from 2015, I believe it was, for work that was done to the components of that AC system. Let you take a look at the front bumper. As you can see, chrome shows nicely. This is the original color of this car. It has had a repaint along the way, and the interior is original to it. You can see the option sheet, or I should say you can see the options, everything that it was ordered with on that window sticker in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. I can hit a few highlights on it as far as what is going to be on that window sticker. I did come with the easy order package, which would have been the vinyl roof, AM radio, rear seat speaker, deluxe washer wipers, electric clock, left remote control mirror, front and rear bumper guards, and more. And you'll see that all on that window sticker. Check it out. Now, let's go up and down the passenger side of this car. See, the car's straight on this one. There's a few little nicks, dings, scratches. I'll show you on the other side, just where rocks have kicked up a little bit. You do have a little bit of chipping down low. But around the wheel wells, does not appear to really be much for bubbling, no rust or anything like that. But you do have some of this. If you look down here, where you can see a few of the rock chips from it being driven. Vinyl roof would have came on this car and was one of the options. So take a look at this interior front bench seat, and again, original fabric. Now, the one thing I want to also mention is in the pictures, if I stand back here, you're going to see that it's kind of a camel colored medium beige. If you get up close, it wants to wash out and kind of turn lighter, like that right there. It's more of a light tan to camel color. When I get back here, that's more the true color of it, FYI. Sometimes it can be a little bit deceiving in the pictures. I want to make you aware of that. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Adult owned and driven. Take a look at the rear chrome. Really nice shape back here. You can see pictures in the trunk, undersides. Does appear to be a very solid car, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go down this driver's side, and again, I'll go behind, above, and in front of these wheel wells so you get a good idea there. I'll kind of show you what I was talking about on this side. A little bit of the same thing as far as some rock chips, a little bit of paint missing just behind that front wheel. A little bit of a nick there. Give you a fair representation of this car. I think there's probably a good 89 pictures of it online. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Cloth vinyl combination, original door panels, carpeting, and again, see, like I said, it kind of washes out a little bit. That's a little lighter than the true color of this interior. It's more of a camel. If I can step away, I don't know if I can get it to show up, give you a little bit better idea. No cracks or aging or weather checking in the dash. Headliner, fine shape. Sorry about the glare there. Go ahead and start this up. Again, 360 cubic inch V8. There's your actual miles, 32,399. Gauges do work in this, and hey, take a look at this. Over here, the clock is even working. Light here is just the door ajar, the door open. Fuel gauge works. Alternator looks like it's charging, working properly. Your AM radio. We're going to click that on, let that warm up a second. Sorry again about that glare. It has to do with the lighting in here, but again, you can see the dash, nice shape.
Equal healthy under.
There's your radio working.
I'm incredibly pleased with my eye surgeon. She recognized my eye disease and
So AM radio works. It's a nice interior. Again, what you'd expect of an interior with, 33,000 miles on it. Again, two-owner car. Copy of the original title, receipts, window sticker, showroom brochure. Sounds like you'd expect. You can see the underside in those still pictures too. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let me pause this a second so we can get this hood popped. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wow, look how nice and tidy this is. First of all, hood liner still intact. Listen how smooth that runs. Clean power steering, power brakes, AC. Here's the components are there. Like I said, you can see in the receipts it had service work done to it. 15. We have not had it blowing cold. Probably needs to be charged. Looks like it has also been converted from R12 according to these fittings here. It looks like those are the updated ones. 34. Wow. Also be a picture of the data tag if you're interested in seeing that. That's in the still pictures. Not one you're going to see every day. 1974 Plymouth Fury 3 two-door hardtop two-owner car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.